Gen Z memes. This is the thing after Call of Duty. So yeah. So I'm still going. Okay. Time to watch some Gen Z memes. Two. So I'm gonna see if I don't know. What the crap? What?
Coca-Cola espumante.
Oh shit! Yeah, there's a flying horse.
I know I'm about to blow.
Oh, no.
Try to take my floor, I take their ass for ransom. I know that I'm gone. See me blowing up, nice. They want some. I got
What? Oh no, I just laughed.
When I beat my cup.
Wait, what? No, I'm gonna find a different one now. Okay, let's see this one. Wheezer presents Try Not to Laugh #1.
Bring you on into the temps, and we're all doing okay. Wow, 750 degrees in Gila Bend right now, and 1,270 in Ahwatukee. Now I'm not authorized to evacuate Ahwatukee, but this temperature seems pretty high.
Cave Creek is really
Yeah, Cave Creek, Fountain Hills, they don't look good either. And frankly, Wickenburg is a total loss.
The entire time I knew him, he only ever had one goal. To wipe out half the universe. Just like that.
Tell me his name again.
Christopher Robin.
Crunches, when it crunches, that's what I love. Nestle Crunch. Hey!
Did you bring a loaf of Clausen's bread? No. Why don't you drop down to the grocery store for some? Clausen's bread is like music to my ears. What are the symbols for? This is a very symbolic commercial. What you eating? A sandwich made with Clausen's bread. Want a bite? Sure.
Are we there yet?
Oh, I watched
Are we there yet?
Not yet.
No.
Are we there yet?
Not yet.
Are we there yet?
Let's play a game. Where we are.
Another highway is going to be really useful.
Yeah, but I'm not done yet, though.
Wait, you're not done building it?
That's got to be the best part I've ever seen.
So it would seem.
Oh.
Mr. Williams!
Elmo,
What are you going to do with that stick?
there's lots of things you can do with this stick, Elmo.
Oh, it's like, oh, that's what it was changing. I thought it was just pushing both of them.
And let me see what you have!
Not gonna give up yet. If fish can live underwater, then so can I.
Duke, do you want the ball?
Strawberry, watermelon.
I'm John Cena!
Bro. May the force be with you. What?
Now that's a fire. Yes, it's knock you in your head stick. You gon' have a mark from my stick, from my stick. My stick, my stick, my stick is better than bacon. You can't touch my stick, I don't wanna. Yeah, you are my stick. Don't you go nut with my stick, look at my stick. You gon' feel the wrath of my stick, feel my stick. Stick, my stick, my stick is better than bacon.
El nuevo Samsung Galaxy sin la red 5G de T-Mobile tiene tanto sentido como jugar fútbol con una bola de boliche.
This one.
I love refrigerators.
Because systems are very
Cute one. You like squeaky toys?
What? Gretel!
Even your son.
That's what I'm talking about. Wow!
Have the Star Wars Lego set Death Star, but can you chug a sparkling water and not burp?
I can do that.
Oh my gosh.
What do I do?
Go on a fork.
Warren Sapp is a Pro Bowl defensive tackle.
Speaking
Warren
of that, my
Sapp
baby
is a
sister
hungry
just
man.
fell and hit herself. May the force be with you. She's being annoying right now. She's doing that on purpose, just so you know. Gretel, yeah.
Fill it in a few different times just to kind of get it real deep.
The house of the dank.
And kind of go and get the lot.
They're having a cold. Okay. Subscribe and like for part 2.